it's Grandpa's to do. We got Grandpa's.
Are you going to sing for us tonight? Or?
I'm going to sing a song called The Ballerina.
The Blue
my
Ballerina.
God.
Well, look, we wish you both all the best of luck.
Blue. Is she singing a song called The Blue Ballerina? Oh, Grandpa. Old.
What do you think of that?
What's wrong with that?
Oh, for goodness sake.
What? Is it me?
I don't think it's going terribly well. What do you think?
This is so weird.
I think if it was Odetta on her own, I'd say yes.